Hi guys! So today we're going to make cheese ube cake using our multi-cook. So first, we need this 350 grams of hot cake mix. And then we have 370 ml of all-purpose creamer and 390 grams of ube condensed creamer. And then we also have this cooking oil, 2 medium eggs, and 1 cup of water. So here we have a mixing bowl and a whisk. First, we will open this hot cake mix and put all of its contents into the bowl. Then we will crack and add these 2 eggs. Next, we add 2 tablespoons of oil. And then 1 cup of water. We will mix this until the mixture is even and smooth. Then we will add 1/4 cup of ube condensed creamer. This will add color and flavor to our cake. Let's add a bit of oil into the non-stick pot and brush it. As well as the sides to make sure to prevent the cake from sticking into the pot. Then, we will pour the cake mixture into the pot. Plug in your multi-cooker and press the cake button. Then start. Once it shows BB in the display, press cancel. And now you can open the lid. Now we have our cake. The cake did not get out of the pan easily, so I will use a stick or this rice scooper. The cake was a bit damaged because I removed it right away from the pot and was still hot. So next time, I will let it cool first. And I will also try to decrease the cooking time for a few minutes. In a separate pan, pour the remaining ube condensed creamer. Then add an egg yolk. Next, I added 3 tablespoons of all-purpose creamer. Whisk until well blended. Then I added 3 more tablespoons of all-purpose creamer. I did not think it was enough, so I added 4 more tablespoons of all-purpose creamer. A total of 10 tablespoons. Next, I plug it in, then switch on, and continuously mix. Once it reached the boiling point, turn it off and continuously mix to prevent it from sticking into the pan. Pour all of the ube spread on top of the cake. Refrigerate overnight. Add some grated cheese on top of the cake. Serve immediately or chill in the fridge. That's all for today. Hope you liked our simple recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.